Wood has always been more than a material. It's a living memory of the earth, shaped by sunlight, water, and time. And when that natural beauty is carved into the form of animals, the result is something extraordinary, a perfect blend of nature's soul and human creativity. That's the essence of wooden animal art. And today, we'll explore the many advantages it brings to your home decor. Not just in terms of beauty, but meaning, comfort, and emotional warmth. Natural warmth that feels alive. The first and most powerful advantage of wooden animal art is the warmth it brings. Unlike cold metal, sterile plastic, or synthetic decor, wood has a living essence. When shaped into animals, elephants, birds, deer, or lions, it radiates life. It makes your space feel organic, grounded, and connected to nature. Every grain, every curve, and every touch of the carving tells a story of the forest, a reminder of life beyond walls and concrete. A wooden sculpture doesn't just sit on a shelf, it breathes into the room, adding a sense of peace and authenticity. That's why interior designers often say, if you want to make a room feel alive, bring in wood. And when that wood takes the form of wildlife, it brings not just beauty but spirit. Timeless appeal and versatility. Wooden animal art is timeless. Trends in home decor may come and go, but natural materials never fade. Whether your home is modern, rustic, minimalist, bohemian, or traditional, a wooden sculpture fits perfectly. It blends in with neutral tones, contrasts beautifully with stone or metal, and softens the sharpness of modern design. A hand-carved wooden horse on a shelf, a graceful wooden bird on a side table, or a majestic elephant by the entrance, each adds elegance without effort. It's adaptable art. No matter how your home evolves, wood stays relevant, aging gracefully, deepening in color and charm over time. That's the quiet magic of natural decor. It doesn't compete for attention, it simply belongs. Eco-friendly and sustainable choice. In a world overflowing with synthetic materials, wooden animal sculptures offer a sustainable alternative. Most artisans today use reclaimed, recycled, or responsibly sourced wood. This means each sculpture helps reduce waste and promotes sustainable forestry practices. Unlike plastic or resin decor, wooden art is biodegradable. It returns to nature instead of harming it. By choosing handmade wooden animal pieces, you support small artisans, cultural craftsmanship, and the preservation of our planet. It's art that doesn't cost the earth, literally. And that's a statement worth making in every home. Unique and one-of-a-kind creations. No two wooden sculptures are ever identical. Every grain pattern, every knot, every chisel mark is different, making each piece truly one of a kind. That uniqueness is what makes wooden animal art personal. You're not just buying a product, you're owning a story. One lion might have bold, deep lines showing strength. Another deer might have gentle curves reflecting peace. Each animal carries its own energy, born from the hands of the artist and the soul of the wood itself. In an age of mass production, handmade wooden animal art stands out as a celebration of individuality. It's imperfect, and that's exactly what makes it perfect. Emotional and symbolic meaning. Every animal carved in wood carries deeper symbolism, meanings that resonate in your home and your life. Elephant strength, wisdom, family unity. Bird freedom, peace and inspiration. Horse power, loyalty and movement. Deer grace, gentleness and purity. Lion courage, confidence and leadership. When you bring these sculptures into your home, you invite these energies into your daily space. It's not just decoration, it's intention. Each piece becomes a gentle reminder of values we aspire to live by. That's what makes wooden animal art emotionally powerful. It connects the heart, the spirit, and the environment around you. Creates a peaceful, grounded atmosphere. There's something meditative about wood. It softens the energy of a room, reduces visual noise, and creates a space of calm. Wooden animal art, especially when placed near natural light or surrounded by plants, creates a sense of harmony, the kind of peace that modern interiors often lack. Psychologists even suggest that natural textures like wood can reduce stress and make environments more comforting. That's why wooden animal art isn't just decor, it's therapy for the soul. Whether you live in a city apartment or a countryside home, it helps you reconnect with nature, even indoors. Art that ages like fine wine. There's something poetic about the way wood changes over time. While other materials rust, fade, or chip, wood breathes, expanding and contracting with seasons, adapting like a living being. Aged wood tells a deeper story. Its texture becomes smoother, its color more mature, and its form more soulful. The small imperfections that appear with age don't destroy its value, they enhance it. A scratch becomes a memory. A slight darkening becomes character. A subtle polish from years of touch becomes part of its identity. In this way, wooden animal art doesn't decay, it develops a personality. Just like us, it grows old beautifully. Durability that feels personal. When you place a wooden animal sculpture in your home, you're not adding a temporary trend, you're planting something enduring. Think about it. You might rearrange your furniture, change your wall color, upgrade your decor. But that carved elephant or bird stays. It becomes part of your space, your family, your story. And one day, it might even be passed down. From you to your children, or to someone who appreciates its quiet beauty. That's the beauty of durable art. It becomes more than an object, it becomes heritage. A natural resistance. Another reason wooden sculptures last is the wood's natural resilience. Many artists use strong hardwoods like teak, mahogany, oak, or walnut. Woods that have been used in architecture and furniture for centuries. These species naturally resist decay, insects, and moisture when properly finished. That means your wooden animal art isn't fragile, it's reliable. With just a little care, occasional oiling, gentle cleaning, and protection from direct heat, it can look as stunning 50 years from now as it does today. There's power in that kind of durability. The idea that something made by human hands can withstand the passing of generations. The touch of timelessness. One of the most beautiful aspects of wooden animal art is how it feels. Smooth, warm, familiar. Unlike glass or metal, wood welcomes your touch. That tactile quality, the ability to feel the grain, to sense the texture, creates a deeper connection between you and the piece. And because it's durable, you can interact with it freely. You can hold it, clean it, move it, display it without fear of breaking it. It's both sturdy and soulful, something that invites you to touch, to feel the years that live beneath its surface. Durability meets emotion. Durability in wooden animal art isn't just physical. It's emotional. It's about the way a sculpture can hold meaning for decades. That wooden elephant you bought as a symbol of good luck. The carved bird you placed near your window as a reminder of freedom. The lion that inspires you every morning in a world of mass production. Wooden animal sculptures remind us of patience, nature, and creativity. Each piece holds not just the form of an animal, but the soul of a tree and the heart of the maker. They are living symbols of harmony, where human hands and nature's material come together to celebrate beauty, strength, and peace. So the next time you see a carved wooden elephant, bird, or horse, remember it's not just decoration. It's a conversation between the artist and the earth. It's art that lives, breathes, and tells a story. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of wooden animal art, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves handmade creations.